Hello guys, ito ang mumukbangin natin ngayon. Magluluto ang lulutuin natin, itong lulutuin natin. Tulad ng sabi ko, magmumukbang tayo. Lulutuin ko itong Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts yan for my husband. And the ingredients with that, the butter, we put little bit of butter, this one. We just get a little bit only, like one scoop of spoon. We put in the butter. That's the one we need to put, that one. And and a little bit of sugar that they can taste for that. And we cook this one, the salmon. I cook this one, the salmon. We cut that one to make two. We cut that one. And the ingredients with that, this is the Ajinomoto. This is the one, Ajinomoto. It's mean glutamate. This is the glutamate. We put a little bit that one. And this is the garlic salt. We marinate the garlic salt. See? The garlic salt, guys. And this is the one we put here. This one, we put to this salmon. And that's the one we need to cook today for mukbang. My husband and I, we mukbang. And this is what he wants. And the Brussels sprouts and salmon, and also fried rice. I wanna show you the fried rice. Hello guys! Tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, magmumukbang tayo ngayon. Ito na, tulad nito, puputulin ko na itong, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, puputulin ko ito na salmon. Puputulin ko na guys para mamarinate natin. Ayan. Naputol na guys. Ayan na, dalawa na ito. Kaya ihugasan natin ito para ma-marinate natin. Lagyan natin ng ano dito para ano, and hiwain natin para magkaroon ng salt doon sa loob. Kuha tayo ng paper para muna, wala tayo dyan paper. Punasan natin para hindi basang-basa kaagad. Guys, lagyan natin ng Ajinomoto. we need to marinate the Ajinomoto. And we need to marinate only the garlic salt. Like I told you before, garlic salt. Yan guys. I marinate now. Guys, lutuin na natin itong Brussels sprouts. We need to cook this one, the Brussels sprouts. And we put the ingredients now. We put the butter. Just like this, the butter. That's the butter I put already. And we put the sugar, 1 scoop of sugar. And we put salt. This is the salt. And we boiling this one and cook it. When we boil the water, and we just until they cook, and then we take out that one and ready to eat. But before we eat, I need to make a fried rice too. Okay guys, we have a palm. We need to cook now the salmon. The salmon we need to cook now. And this palm, I need to spray this one so they don't get sticky. So they don't need to stick in everything to the... And guys, this is it. We do the salmon. We cook the salmon now. Guys, we need to heat up the oven for 400. We heat up. Okay, and then I think I need to put now there. This one I need to put in the oven. Okay guys, when we cooking the, that's the one, we grill that one. We grill in the oven. The salmon. We close that one. And this is, we take a look this one too. And almost cooked. I don't know how to take out this one. I mean, see guys. We need to do. And then when we finish everything, we cook the fried rice also. Hello guys, ito lulutuin na natin itong fried rice ng asawa ko. Lalagyan natin yung bawang. Fried rice lang, plain fried rice lang siya. Plain fried rice lang siya. Kasi ang gusto niya plain fried rice, garlic salt ang ilalagay. May garlic na yon. Ito naman ang pinaka-salt niya, garlic salt. At saka tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, mayroon akong niluto na Brussels sprouts. Ito nga. Ayan. Lulutuin ko na lahat kasi maliligo muna ako bago kami kumain. Maliligo muna ako bago kumain. At saka ito guys, ulam din ito guys, ulam. Ito yung kunin natin ito ha, dadalhin natin. Ito naman ay niluto ko rin ito. Shrimp naman ito. Shrimp with zucchini vegetable. Shrimp with I cook this one shrimp with zucchini vegetable. Zucchini vegetable and carrots and green pepper. That's the one. And we still have foods also. We have a lot of foods, guys. Okay. See that the adobo. See the adobo. Pork adobo, that's one, guys. Pork adobo. And now I need to put the rice now here because ito guys, gusto niya ng fried rice. Nasunog ko ata yung bawang. Bagong lutong kanin, fried rice din. Lagyan natin ng kunting garlic salt. Huwag masyado. At saka yung ajinomoto na. We put ajinomoto. Oh, salt, that one too. I made a mistake. We need to put a little bit only. Sorry guys, I think I burned the garlic. Okay guys, and then we take a look now. I'm done for the fried rice. I'm done the fried rice. Guys, I done the fried rice. I cook already the fried rice. And we still have, like I said, I cook the Brussels sprout. And all this one, they have foods. And this one, we have also sinigang. And the sinigang is cooked. That one is pork sinigang. And this one is Brussels sprouts. I mean, I'm sorry, not Brussels sprouts. I already saw you. This is the shrimp with vegetable, zucchini, green pepper, and carrots. Vegetable, the shrimp. And we still have, like I said, we have adobo, pork adobo, and this is the salmon. See guys, almost cooked now the salmon. We need to turn off now guys, the salmon. And guys, before we eat, before we mukbang, I need to take shower first before we mukbang. Wait a minute. Hello guys. This is it. We need to eat lunch now. I mean, lunch and dinner. My husband and I. Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Yeah, and like I said, you saw already what I cook. I show you again. We have shrimp. We have the salmon. The salmon is cut already because my son, they like salmon also. And we have a Brussels sprouts. And we have, my husband, he have fried rice. And I have fried rice and plain rice. So, we're gonna mukbang today.
Mukbang. My favorite is the Brussels sprouts and the salmon and the fried rice.
Yeah,
that's all great.
That's the one he liked.
My wife made this for me.
Anyway, we do this one, the cranberry juice. This is one we drink. And okay, your favorite what?
This is one of my favorite meals. Lena does a great job.
Yeah, that's his favorite, the Brussels sprouts.
And the salmon and the garlic fried rice. Good.
Ay, good.
It's good.
Okay. And then I have shrimp too.
Good.
I'm gonna put there close by the shrimp. So, I think we need to put down a little bit. They can see? There you are, they can see.
Maybe you need to put up a little bit.
Up?
I don't know. It's good. It's fine. Leave it alone. It's fine.
I'm just gonna... See? It's okay?
Yeah.
They can see now.
Mukbang.
Mukbang, guys. And this
Thank
is...
you, Asawa. Thank you.
You're welcome. And you need Brussels sprouts? I can put you. And I love also Brussels sprout. See?
Good stuff.
Hey, what
We have napkin.
Oh yeah, the napkin. Yeah. We forgot the napkin. We get first. We just get the napkins, the whole thing. Because
The whole thing because mukbang.
And also no, and also I have a string.
Yeah.
I have a string. So maybe I can use my hands only to eat. Not I'm not gonna use the spoon, I think. Or maybe I'm gonna use,
What's up to you?
yeah, I'm gonna use this one.
Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Let's go, guys. We eat. Okay.
Mukbang.
Mukbang, mukbang.
Good.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna do this one. Okay, I'm gonna half first because I cannot eat the whole things.
And then we're gonna have some leftovers.
Yeah, leftover, I think so. Because I have shrimp also. We still have sinigang and sinigang and then the what you call this one? The pork adobo. I love the zucchini. That's why we have plant this one zucchini.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We have plant now.
That's good.
And I'm thinking when we have zucchini, I can cook again zucchini bread.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Brianna.
You don't want to bother us.
Did you tell her not to bother us?
I tell everybody. Because we mukbang. I need to put some plate here to this one. Mm-hmm. It's okay. I can take out. Sweetheart, you eat, sweetheart. Actually, I tell to Brianna to eat. And she eat already for lunch.
Now what you have?
We have the sinigang.
What did she eat?
What she eat? I don't know what she eat out. They go out.
Oh, yeah.
They go to her mom. Bring the can.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Guys, it tastes good when the shrimp is tastes good, but I like this taste like this. Yeah, I like that one.
I like my shrimp boiled, cold with shrimp sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
I think I'm gonna take out my ring. I'm gonna use my hands. It's okay?
Yeah.
Guys, I need to use my hands only.
What's that called?
Hmm?
Like Mayan or something?
What?
What's it called? When you use your hands?
Kamay.
Come on.
Yeah. My husband, he asking what you call this one to use your hands, kamay. Magkakamay. Magkakamay lang. I just wanna use my hands to eat. Because I have extreme. And guys, this one, Brussels sprout is very good. Very good. That's why my husband, he loved this one. It look like a small cabbage, but it's different. The Brussels sprout. Mm.
Very good. Everything very good.
The reason I wanna use my hands to eat because I have a shrimp.
That's tradition in the Philippines, though.
No, they do also spoon, but it look like very comfortable when you eat use hands. Yeah. Guys, in the restaurant, I don't eat in the restaurant by my hands, no. I always use the fork and the spoon. Even though you eat the fruits, I use the spoon and knife. But if we eat in our house, this is it. I wanna use my hands.
Why not?
Yeah.
Why not? If that's what she likes, why not?
Mm-hmm. The salmon is very good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Especially the skin when very crispy. See? Mm. Mm. I cook everything, this one,
Yeah.
the Brussels sprout.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's good. We can save later.
Mm-hmm.
So you doing okay?
Mm-hmm. About you?
Yeah, I'm okay. I have to go get a haircut later on.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, we can go out if you want a haircut.
yeah. Good job.
Mm-hmm. Everybody they eat already, so that's why my husband and I only we're gonna eat.
Actually, it's just us because we're greedy. We want it all for ourselves.
My husband is joking.
This is the good food. We keep for ourselves.
No, they eat already, and it's still our food is still there.
Mhm.
I saw them that we have a lot of foods. I cook. I supposed to be cook the chicken, and I said, oh no, we have pork sinigang, and we have pork adobo, we have salmon, we have shrimp.
It's too much food.
Which one they like to eat and they can eat. Because today, guys, is Saturday here. Saturday, and I'm not working, and my husband is not working today too. So every Saturday or Sunday, I cook more foods because we do eat together. You know what I can see? They can see my brows. You know, this is the brows when I working. I bump this one. Yeah.
What did you bump it on?
The table.
Yeah.
When I go like that. You're working, sweetheart? Okay, be careful. My granddaughter. My granddaughter, they're gonna go work. That's why I told you, see it when she go to her mom.
Yeah.
See it there. On the way home. See it. Because my granddaughter she's gonna go work. That's why I see it early. And you know, guys, our house, we have more people stay home. 3 family.
4 actually.
For Brianna.
Yeah.
Yeah, for my granddaughter, they stay with us. So, my 2 sons, we have this house, we have
10 people.
6 room and 11 people now.
Pretty soon.
Pretty soon, because they're adding people. We have more
Time
grandchildren.
to stop.
We have grandchildren, that's why they get more and more the big family. So, my granddaughter, the 19 years old, the one that I'm talking to, that she's going to work, she stay with us. And her dad, my 2 sons, they stay here with their family. So, we have 4 family here. We don't let them go stay far away. We want them to stay here so we can, stay together. But they get bigger family. Yeah. And that's good. I got hints. Can I have? I want the Brussels sprouts, but my hints is I have okay, that's good enough.
You sure?
Yeah. I have my hands dirty because I use my hands only. You good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna take out this one, my glasses. Because really, too far away, I cannot see. Yeah. My eyes is not good anymore. I'm old already, that's why.
We're both old.
Yeah.
Just two old people sitting at home.
Anyway, we are senior citizen now. We are
No, not yet.
pretty soon. That's it. Well, the senior citizen, how old? 62?
65,
65?
67, like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're young.
We
We're
young.
young people.
We are 61. We're going 62.
We got a lot of life left.
I like the zucchini. Especially it's hot. Yeah. Do you want some salmon?
No, I'm full.
Full?
Yeah, I'm done. No more mukbang for me.
Guys,
Full already.
my husband, he didn't want a mukbang, but he need to because we don't eat lunch yet. That's why I said, let's go eat. We mukbang. This is it. They cannot say no because he's hungry too.
See, she tortures me. She doesn't feed me, and then I have to eat all this food.
No, don't say that.
She's a good wife.
We just woke up late. We woke up late and then
Me, I wake up 3:30.
my
This one, 10 o'clock.
yeah, that's true. He woke up at 3:30, and I wake up 9 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Don't lie. 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay.
I know it's just because I woke her up. You know?
Yeah.
She'd still be sleeping.
I'm snoring. Huh? I'm snoring.
She's a good woman. Good woman.
I wish it's very good.
You are good.
Hmm?
You are good.
Hmm? Thank you.
You want to get your haircut?
Haircut?
Yeah.
I don't know. No?
No.
Maybe I'm just trim myself.
Well, I mean, if you want to get, you know.
I don't know.
You working Monday?
Yeah. Oh,
Whoa, whoa,
So-
whoa,
so-
what's
sorry,
going on here?
sorry.
What's going on here? You're trying to stab me.
Oh no. Don't say that. They
See
always,
what I have to
he
put up with?
always joking.
God. What did I
You
do?
want,
to
you want
deserve
another,
this?
you want another
No.
juice?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I do.
No, I get it.
Okay.
Just- Thank you.
You're welcome. The salmon and the meat is expensive now.
Everything is getting expensive.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I say, we need to watch our money.
Mm-hmm.
We cannot waste money.
Yeah, everybody they're saying they went up everything the price.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Guys, we have leftover salmon because the salmon is too big. Very big salmon.
We have leftover Brussels sprouts too.
3 pieces, 4 pieces only. If we can eat, we can eat.
Go ahead, eat.
Huh?
Eat.
Yeah, we can eat. We finished the Brussels sprouts because it's not good to
You got shrimp?
no more. Just vegetable also. The shrimp no more also. Vegetable only. Thank you. Now no more leftover. No leftover this one. Just
the salmon.
Salmon only. And my husband, he can eat that one if he want to. But I don't think he's gonna eat again tonight.
No.
I know my husband. Every time he eats like this, more food. And now it's 3:30 in the afternoon. And we don't need to, he don't wanna eat anymore for tonight. Only snack only. It's not like pickles, that's the one.
Or fruit cups, or apple, or
Mm-hmm.
something like that.
Mm.
This is enough for one day.
Mm-hmm.
I had breakfast, Raisin Bran, cereal.
Okay guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.
Carol 9. CAROL 9.
They know that one.
Carol 9. Tell your friends. Tell your family. Everyone needs to subscribe.
That's it.
Well, yeah.
My husband is happy.
Carol 9.
Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you. And
Bye.
bye-bye now. I'm gonna turn off now.
See you next time. Next